Hey guys, what's going on? I've been trying to get these videos recorded for you guys. I do apologize. I've been away trying to take care of some things. I'm going to show you guys. I'm already in this trade. I've been in this trade since 52 seconds after 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Um, I am shooting for $144 really quick, as long as I don't get a reason to get out of this trade. I am using my workflow scalping method for the S&P 500. I'm also in a long-term trade for GBP USD. And so I'm just going to show you guys how to grow this account. Now I recorded another video where I took my account from 400 to like 700 and ended up deleting the video. I did that in less than 45 minutes using my scalping method, and I'm just kind of bummed out about that. So I have another account where I'm gonna show you guys, what I can do within an hour. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See where I can take this account to within the hour. All right, and so thank you guys so much again for joining us. And yeah, we're back at it. We're here. We have not gone anywhere, but we're here. And so I appreciate you guys. If you have not, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Also click the bell notification icon and select all, so you can get get alerted whenever I go live or upload a video. This will be an uploaded video, so I want to focus and get this account up. So yeah, so we're working. So I'll do my best to try to share some things with you guys. Again, I'm using my workflow trading strategy, okay, for the scalping strategy for the S&P 500. And again, I'm over here on a long trade GBP USD. We're gonna swing that, and so we're gonna go ahead and take that. We're gonna take those $44. So that account is 3 something, and I'm sure it's gonna keep going up. But the account was at 3 something, and now we're at 412. So I have to look back at the video to see exactly. I think it was 368 or something like that. Now we're at 412. So yeah, we're on the 1 minute chart, S&P 500. We're gonna scalp this back and forth. All right, so we're at 412, and so how I do this, instead of trading at half of 1%, we're gonna trade at half of 5/1000ths of a percent. So half of half. So we're at 4, and I'm using the $100 place. I could have stayed in that, but it's all good. We'll wait for the next one. I'm sure it's gonna come up here and test this zone up here. So 1% will be $4. Half of 1% will be $2. So half of half is $1. So 0.1. All right, and so we're just gonna get ready for our entry rules to be met here before we jump in. All right, so again, in order to do this, you have to use proper risk management. All right, and so we err on the side of caution on all of our trading. So I always recommend going in at half of a percent or 5/1000ths of a percent of your account. All right, when we're swinging. And now when we're scalping, what I'm recommending you guys to do is to trade at half of 5/1000ths of a percent. All right, and I'm basing it off of the one. I'm basing it off of the $100 place. All right, so I should have stayed in, but it's all good. We'll catch it on the way down. So that's what we're doing right now. So the account was at 3 something. Now we're at 4. So we'll let it do its thing. Now, typically, what I would do is wait for get in the trade, all right, and then wait for my exit rules, all right, and then because had I waited for my exit rules, I still would have been in profit and probably already at the $144, all right, yeah, eventually, but I'm focusing on compound because I'm in 2 trades at the same time. I'm swinging over here and I'm scalping over here. I just wanted to get out. All right, when I saw that the level was getting ready or it's preparing to turn around. So, but I think this trade is going to be an even better trade. So we'll be able to ride the next scalp down. So yeah, let's see how much we can make in an hour. All right. I see Jeremy Cash. He does that a lot. Shout out to Jeremy Cash. All right. Shout out to what's his new Pipology. His new team, Pipology. All right, those guys. It's 3 of them. Loso. And oh man, I forgot the other gentleman's name. The other gentleman. So Jeremy Cash, he does the scalping. All right, with the TDI. All right, we know his method. Shout out to him. Awesome method. Loso, he does trading with a robot, right? A bot. So shout out to him. You know, his trading is just on automatic. So and then the other gentleman, man, I don't know why I can't think of his name, but I like him. I like them all, but I like him because his trading style is more of my style. You know, he much higher time frame. You know, longer setup for longer trade. You know, but shout out to him, man. I'm gonna have to, you know, I'm going since I have a little minute. Let me see if I can research those guys really quick. Let's see, Topology. Cause I gotta make sure I gotta say his name, man. I can't be doing that, trying to shout people out. All right, guys, hold on. I'm researching, trying to get his name. Bobby Will. Bobby. All right, yeah, I like Bobby because again, he pretty much he trades the same way I trade, somewhat. All right, but yeah, so shout out to those guys. Yeah, so Jeremy Cash he usually does to see how much can he make in an hour. Listen, I've already made what $44 was it? I already made $44, so and it wasn't even an hour, was it? Let me see. I made $44, and yeah, I made $44 in a couple of minutes. All right, $44 in a couple of minutes. So the clock is ticking. Let me see, how long have we been recording? We have been recording for 9 minutes, man. So I made $44 in less than 10 minutes, guys. $44 in less than 10 minutes. All right. How much do you make an hour? All right, how much do you make an hour? I can go home. We can go home right there, right? So, as a matter of fact, guys, I'm gonna take the. I'm going live. I'm not gonna go live. I don't want to be embarrassed going live really quick. But no, it's all good. So yeah, so we're gonna see how much we can make with this new scalping strategy. So sit back, relax, chill out with me. All right, and we'll go ahead and do the thing. Okay. Check on GU. I know GU is like retracing right now. Yeah, GU is on a. It's pretty much retracing right now. Taking a look. Yeah, like the weekly, like last week. Look at that, guys. Oh man, if I would have stayed in, I would have been at the $144, man. I would have been at the $144, but it's all good, right? We don't cry over missed profits unless we lose it, right? So no crying here, no crying here. So we're just gonna wait to get in. All right, we're gonna wait to get in. We're gonna wait to get in, and while we're waiting, I'm just gonna check. I want to check out the higher time frame on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and get this back over here. Because again, I'm watching this. I'm scalping for you guys. Scalping live. So we're going to see how much we can make an hour. I've already made $44 in less than 10 minutes. All right, $44 in less than 10 minutes. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you guys something. This is not easy. However, using my workflow, trading method, trading template, all right, using the free indicators that I've recoded to match my trading method, okay, it makes it a whole lot easier. All right, I've added these color changing candlesticks, okay, that's gonna help you guys to time your entries, help you guys to know when to get in. All right, and so that's what we want to do. We want to teach you how to fish. All right, I've been rocking that since day one. It's just in me. As a legitimate pastor, I look for. I want people to do well because God wants you to do well. All right, God doesn't want any of His children to suffer. No type of suffering whatsoever. All right, He does not want us to suffer. And so I know a lot of you guys are you're suffering right now. Okay, you're going through trying to meet ends meet, trying to get the bills paid, and you're trying to figure out you're looking for a way out. Okay, I'm not saying that Forex is it. I will tell you this, and many of you may not want to hear it, but God is the answer. God is the solution. First and foremost, turn to Him. All right, turn to Him. Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness. You guys know Apostle Matthew chapter 6 verse 30, 33, around that area. All right, go ahead and go read chapter 6 period. All right, go read chapter 6 period. Jesus is going to teach you how to pray. All right, Jesus is going to teach you how what to put your focus on. All right, Matthew chapter 6. All right, so we seek first, we put our focus first on the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and everything else will be added. Okay, everything else will be added. the clothing that you're looking for, right? The food on the table, the roof over your head, um, those business ideas, right? So listen, if God can take care of the lily in the valley, all right, you can go to a valley and see a vast sea of lilies, right? Just picture that in your mind, a vast sea of lilies out in this valley. Who's out there tending to the lily? Who's out there pulling weeds? Who's out there watering? Who's out there trimming? Nobody. God is doing that. All right. So if he does that, how much more will he do for you, his child who is made in his image? Come on. All right. I told you guys I'm a legitimate pastor. All right. I'm not a celebrity pastor. All right. I'm not like some of these guys. I'm not out here trying to get your money. All right. I teach the Bible. Man, this video has turned into something totally different, but hey, I teach the Bible in context. All right. So, God is it. But hey, listen, if you're looking for a way out, again, that's what the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community is about. We teach you how to fish. All right. We don't just give you a fish to feed you for a day. All right. Now, we do that. Okay. With these videos that I upload to YouTube, I go live with, we do give you fish. All right. But we also teach you how to fish, so that we not only feed you for a lifetime, but we feed you and your legacy for generations to come. We call that generational wealth. Okay. And so that's what we're about. And we've been about that since day one. Since day one. I started trading Forex in 2016. Got decent at it. All right. Felt comfortable enough to where I can start teaching other individuals. And I think in 2017 or something like that, I started to Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community. You guys do the research. But but that's what we're about, because that's what God is about. And so we're teaching you guys how to fish. All right, we're teaching you how to fish. So that's what we're gonna do. Again, I've already made $44 in less than 9 minutes. All right, in less than 9 minutes, I made $44. You guys saw me take the profit, and so now I'm compounding, I'm scaling up, and I'm waiting for my entry. I don't have much to do today, so that's why I'm sitting here scalping. You know, I didn't go fishing today, so decided, hey, why not make a video showing the people your scalping method. So yeah. So as always, guys, I want to make sure I'm adding value to the videos and not just showing off profits and things of that nature. But also keep in mind, and make sure you have the understanding that the market, it flows from accumulation to distribution. All right. No matter what strategy you put, whether it's market makers, whether it's breakout methods, whether it's breakout and retest methods, the market is flowing from accumulation to distribution. All right. And now you'll see it bouncing from zone to zone. Okay. You'll see it bouncing from zone to zone on the lower time frames, but on the higher time frames, okay, that's really how the market moves. That's really how the market makers move, guys. All right. That's really how they move. So I'm getting ready to get into this. That's really how they move. And so but we can also scalp. Okay, we can also do the scalping thing. So I'm just waiting here. All right, we'll go ahead and get in. I'm gonna take it to. I'll just cancel. I'll just let it ride and see what we get. Let me just blow this up. Move my alert window out of the way really quick. Let me see. Really, this thing should should bring us down to this area. So all right, so that'd be $210. All right, let's see if we can get that. Let's see, what's half of that? 105. So I'm just doing some real math, really quick math, really quick. Oh, okay, I'm at $1. So I'm gonna set a really quick trailing stop of 105 pips. All right. So just in case, if I'm not able to do it, what it's going to do is going to once the trade goes into 105 pips, all right, it's going to create me a stop loss, all right, to put me at break even, okay, and so and then that way I'm in a risk-free trade, all right. And guys, again, we're scalping using the workflow scalping trading method. I don't know if that's what I want to call it, but I told you guys we can scalp. So I told you we have scalping strategy. We have intraday strategy to where you may hold your trade for a few hours, maybe to the end of the day, beginning of the following day. Then we also have swinging strategies where we swing. Okay, so we maybe a couple of days so or so. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're just waiting for this to take place. Okay, waiting for this trade. All right, we're 25. We were 25. Now we're $23.25 in profit. All right, we're gonna keep riding. I'm looking for, oh no, you know what, I think I might have messed up. I'm looking for it to come here. All right, I'm looking for it to come right here. So in all actuality, I'm looking for that to hit, unless it gives us, all right, $107. So I need to 107. So I need to put this at a 50 pip trailing stop. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. 50. I can actually do 53. All right, we're gonna do 53. Okay. All right, so we already made $44 an hour. Okay, how long have we been recording and trading? 23 minutes. All right, let's see if we're gonna get $144. Okay, or rather $151. Let's see. So we're $20 in profit. We don't have a reason to get out as of yet. So, and scalping is one of those things where, hey, I'm recording this video, and it could mess up on me. But one thing about it, when you have your trading rules, you trust your trading rules, and we just go from there. So as long as this doesn't give us a reason to get out, then we'll hold it, and just go from there. Okay, so I like to see that getting a rejection at our EMA. Okay, all right, awesome, nice rejection at the EMA. So it wicked out. It's getting ready to push. It's trying to push through this zone right here that's been created. Here, let me just see. It's trying to push through this zone right here. Okay, and you guys can see now we're $7 in profit. Well, risk free. you know, because our trailing stop was hit. Okay, and so hey, it could wick all the way back up and take me out, but we're gonna see if we can go ahead and get these $107. Now you guys saw me with the $44. I didn't use the trailing stop. I just just waited for it to take profit because I was pretty confident and where it would go. So again, we're risk free, $17. All right. Who makes $17.70 an hour? All right, that's where I'm at. $22 now. My trailing stop is at down to $22.70. All right, who makes $22 an hour? All right, let's see if we almost get our 107. Let's go all the way down. Go all the way down. Come on, give it to me. Don't even treat me like that. S&P 500. Just don't make me a liar in front of the people. See, it's trying to make me a lying profit. All right, I'm trying to make a profit, but it's trying to make me a lying profit, guys. All right, come on and give us our 107. Come on and give us our 107. We'll take the, all right, bam. So now we're at 520. So far in 26 minutes, we've made, let me pull out the calculator. All right, 44 plus 107, $151. Okay, $151. $151, guys. All right, $151 in 26 minutes. How much can we make an hour? How much you make an hour? How much do you make an hour? All right, and I'm gonna keep it at the $1 just because, again, I normally would scale up, but because I need to leave room for GBP USD for my swing, I'm gonna keep it at $1. Okay, I'm gonna keep it at $1. So we're looking good so far. All right. Oh, we actually made $108 on that. It was $108. We made $108 on that past trade. So again, 108, not including the cents, but 108 plus 44. We made $152 in 26 minutes, guys. 26 minutes, we made $152. Sign up for the Teach Me to Fish and Fake Trading community. I'm going to give you some fish, right? I'm going to give you some trade alerts, right? I'm going to give you some stuff to look out for. You're going to get on these trading sessions with me, all right? And we're going to trade together. I'm going to give you some fish, but I promise you, I'm going to teach you how to fish, okay? I'm going to teach you how to fish. So